Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet. In today's video, I will be creating this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. This look has been really popular on Instagram, so I decided to create it for you guys. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. I've already moisturized my face and now I'm gonna start off with my makeup. First, I'm gonna use my primer, and for my primer today, I'm gonna be using Benefit's the Porefessional primer. After my primer, I'm gonna move on to my foundation, and for my foundation today, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filtr foundation. I'm gonna take a few pumps of foundation on my hand, and after that, I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender to blend it all into my face. I quickly did my eyebrows off the camera, and now I'm gonna move on to concealer, and for that I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Instant Retouch Concealer. I'm gonna first put it under my eyes. In a triangle shape. And then I'm gonna create a little wing on outer corner of my eye. For my forehead, I'm just putting a small amount of concealer in the middle, and then I'm gonna go on the bridge of my nose. Now I'm gonna use the same beauty blender to blend my concealer into my foundation. So I'm gonna go in a dabbing motion. I'm gonna make sure that I blend all the harsh lines into the foundation. For baking my face today, I'm gonna use Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in shade 20 Light Medium. And I'm gonna use the same damp beauty blender and put the powder on my beauty blender and just place it right on my under eyes. This is gonna help me with preventing the crease lines under my eyes and also give it a flawless finish. And then a little bit right under my contour line. And now I'm gonna brush off the excess powder with a big fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna give a little warmth to my face, and I'm gonna use a bronzer for that. The bronzer I'm using today is from Maybelline. It's called City Bronzer and it's in the shade 300. I'm taking an angular brush and I'm putting my bronzer on it. And then I'm gonna put it on my cheek tips. And I'm gonna make a straight line. First, I'm gonna apply my bronzer. I'm gonna apply it in an upward motion. And then I'm gonna blend it. I'm also making sure that it's going in my hairline so that it looks more flawless. And then on top of my forehead. And then also I'm gonna go on my jawline as well. And now I'm gonna contour my nose. So for that, I'm gonna use e.l.f.'s contour brush, and I'm gonna put the bronzer on sides of my nose. I'm starting from my eyebrow, just on the side of my nose. Now I'm gonna move on to my highlighter. Today I'm gonna use highlighter before my blush, and for my highlighter today I'm gonna be using Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Gold. I'm keeping my highlighter very subtle, so I'm using a very light hand to put it on. Now I'm gonna move on to my blush, and for that I'm using my favorite NYX Sweet Cheeks matte blush in shade Summer Breeze. I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm gonna put the blush on apples of my cheek today. So first I'm gonna apply my blush by dabbing it, and after that I'm gonna go in a circular motions to blend it into the rest of my makeup. For my eye makeup today, I'm gonna be using Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. First, I'm gonna start with my crease area, and for that, I'm going to use shade called Homeboy. This one. I'm gonna take it on my eyeshadow brush and just place it right on my crease. And then I'm gonna move in a circular motions just to blend it all out together. And after that, I'm gonna take shade G Money, this one, and I'm gonna apply it on outer corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna blend it into my crease shade to give it a brown, smoky look. Once I'm done applying my eyeshadows, I'm gonna take a big fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna blend it all together. This is gonna help to take off the excess from my eyeshadow and also blend both the colors in very nicely. After that, I'm gonna take the same shade as my crease shade and I'm gonna apply it right under my lower lash line. And then for the most interesting part of this video, I'm gonna pop in this pink Tipsy Girl shade in the inner corner of my eye. For applying the color into my inner eye, I'm gonna use a precision brush from Mophe. I'm gonna take my Tipsy Girl on the brush and I'm gonna just pop it into the inner corners of my eye. I'm gonna just apply it. And I'm gonna drag it. Once I'm done with my application, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush again and blend it into the rest of my foundation. So I'm not gonna touch the inner corner, just on the lid. I'm gonna blend it. And then also for my lower lash line. I quickly went off the camera and did my second eye, and now I'm gonna move on with eyeliner. So now I'm gonna make a wing. For that, I'm gonna start it at the end, outer corner of my eye. And after creating a rough wing, I'm gonna go on to the inner corner and make a straight line. And now I'm gonna take a dark brown eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put it on the same precision brush and just gonna put it right under my lower lash line, just on the outer corner, just to give it a deep eye effect. And after that, I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and just gonna blend it. I just finished my eye makeup off camera, and now I'm gonna move on to my lipstick. For my lip liner today, I'm gonna be using NYX lip pencil in shade brown. I'm just gonna outline my lips. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna use my favorite nude shade, and that is from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in shade 65 Seductress. And I'm gonna apply the lipstick right in the middle of my lips. And then I'm gonna dab it with my finger. For setting up my makeup, I'm gonna use Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray. So much guys for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you like the video, do not forget to hit like button and also share the video as much as you can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please put them down in the comment box below, and I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys.